Okay, for this lab, you will need to make a slide. Okay, what you'll do for the slide is you're going to take 1 drop of the Epsom salt solution and put a very small drop onto the glass slide. Okay, if you can see, it's a very small drop. Okay, the reason we want such a small drop is because you're also going to be adding a drop of stain. Okay, see? Very small drop of stain. Once you've got that ready, you'll come see me, and I will come and light your candle. And before I light your candle, we'll make sure that you have all of your safety equipment that you need, which would be goggles and tongs. Okay? You're going to hold the glass slide over the flame using the tongs, keeping your hands back, and not too close, okay? About 1 inch above the flame. And you'll start to see it bubble and boil. It'll take a little while. Okay, just keep your hands and face back. You want to heat it until it all dries up. Okay? And then once it's dry, it'll look like that. Okay? You'll blow out your candle. And now you are ready to view this underneath the microscope.